How to use ChatGPT without a phone number. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the easiest way to go ahead and plug a number in for free or paid, depending on what you want to do, and access ChatGPT. So there's three ways you can go about this. There is a free version and a paid version. So now I'm going to show you the free version. The free version is pretty easy. You just want to go to receive.smss.com, and there is a few numbers here. There is United States, there's United Kingdom, there is plenty of numbers. There is Hong Kong, Ukraine, but for today we're going to use the United States. I'm going to click open, and you will get a number here, and you would want to click this, copy, and you would want to, if you're from Australia or wherever you're from, you'd want to just plug it in and then send code. And once you send the code, you'll get a message, and it will come here, and you just want to copy it and put it in and verify. And once you've verified, you're in. That is the free version. You just have to muck around with that. You might have to do a few numbers until it works, but yeah, that's the free version. And now I'm going to show you the paid version. So the first one is Text Verified. So what is Text Verified? This is a online platform where you can receive SMSs for a price, not for free, but you just have to top this up and use this to access ChatGPT. So that is Text Verified. You would have to pay for that one, and here is SMS Active. So this is another paid version, but this is the easiest and probably the cheapest way to go about it. So you would want to go to the home page, and you'd want to click Open AI. There is a lot of numbers. There's Indian numbers, there is England numbers, there's heaps of numbers, and for a cheap price you would want to click here. Once you log in, you click here and you will receive a number, and then once you get that number, you would want to plug it in here, and then click send code and wait until you receive the code and plug it back in. And that is the free ways to access ChatGPT without a phone number. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.